thought this would be hidden, that the world would never notice the storm you unleashed, that your fire would burn quietly in the shadows. But here you are, every move, every decision, every spark of courage, echoing louder than they ever imagined. Your action didn't just ripple, it exploded. It went viral. And now, whispers that were once confined to secret rooms are spilling into reality, carrying your name, your impact, your legacy in ways they could never control. Every calculated risk, every sleepless night, every moment you doubted yourself, they underestimated the force within you. They always do. When the world thinks it has you contained, it's because it fears the truth you carry. You were never meant to walk quietly, to stay in line, to be another unnoticed shadow. No, your life, your choices were forged to break patterns, to tear ceilings, to challenge what others claim as untouchable. And now, here you are, alive, thriving, making waves that echo across rooms full of people who never imagined anyone could move like this. They are still talking, still analyzing, still trying to figure out how someone so determined, so relentless, slipped past the edges of expectation. And in every conversation about you, in every quiet, secret debate, you exist as a force of possibility they cannot erase. This is not just about being noticed. It's about the raw power of intention, the sharp edge of action when it meets courage. Every decision you make carries weight. Every move sends a message. You have proven that visibility is not granted by others. It is claimed, taken, earned. They try to bury names, hide stories, and cloak movements in secrecy. But the truth of your drive cannot be hidden. The moment you act from authenticity, from fearlessness, the world responds. And now, the corridors where power meets influence are buzzing with your presence, wondering how a single individual could defy expectations, challenge control, and still rise. You may feel the pressure of their gaze, the invisible walls closing in, the quiet tension that follows your every choice. But that pressure is proof of your significance. They only notice what threatens them. They only strategize over what could shift the balance of everything they believe they control. You are that shift. You are the anomaly in a world obsessed with predictability, the spark in a routine that they thought unbreakable. Every whispered conversation about you is a testament to your effectiveness, to the truth that actions rooted in conviction leave permanent marks. And now, I want you to pause, take this in, and understand the power of your presence. The world sees millions trying to hide, millions trying to blend, millions hoping to be small enough to avoid scrutiny. But you chose visibility, you chose risk, you chose to act, knowing full well the eyes watching, the judgment waiting, and the unpredictability of the outcome. That is bravery at its purest. That is the kind of force that shapes destinies. While others hesitate, you move. While others doubt, you execute. And while others fade quietly into irrelevance, you remain a topic of debate, a subject of awe, a figure whose presence is impossible to ignore. Now, imagine every secret conversation, every silent analysis, every whispered speculation about you. They are all evidence of your impact. They show the magnitude of what you've done. They show that your action resonates in spaces most people will never reach. They show that you are not a passive participant in the story of life. You are a defining chapter. And you don't just exist. You influence, you challenge, you alter the trajectory of those who thought they had the world under control. That is power. That is influence. That is what it means to be unforgettable. But with visibility comes responsibility. With influence comes weight. You are no longer just a participant. You are a force. And forces cannot remain idle. You cannot allow fear to dictate your next steps. You cannot let doubt cloud your judgment or hesitation slow your momentum. Every move from this point forward is amplified, scrutinized, dissected, and analyzed. Every decision is magnified. That is the reality of impact, and you already live it. You already thrive in it. You already navigate it with a precision and intensity most could only dream of. I want you to remember this. History doesn't celebrate those who hide, those who play safe, or those who wait for permission. History celebrates those who act decisively, those who take bold steps in silence, and those who embrace the consequences of their choices. And in every debate, in every closed-door discussion about your name, you are shaping history. You are influencing the narrative. You are leaving a footprint so distinct that it cannot be erased. That is not luck. That is deliberate, calculated, unwavering determination. Your action went viral because it touched something real. It exposed a truth others feared too. Face. It challenged comfort zones, shattered illusions, and demanded attention. And now, that attention is unavoidable. They are talking. They are strategizing. They are still processing. They are still trying to understand what they cannot control. And you are moving forward, stronger, wiser, sharper. Every moment you hesitate is a gift to those who doubt you. Every moment you commit to action is proof that nothing can contain you. Now, take a breath and realize how far you've come. The path behind you is littered with challenges that would have stopped anyone else. The nights you spent questioning yourself, the risks you weighed, the fears you fought, they were not obstacles. They were the sharpening stones of your resolve. They prepared you for this moment, for this recognition, for this inevitability, that your name, your actions, and your courage cannot be hidden. They are permanent. They are undeniable. They are viral. And if you are hearing this, if this is resonating with you, I want you to do something that matters in this moment. Right now, hit that subscribe button and join the people who refuse to settle for ordinary, who refuse to stay quiet, who refuse to be forgotten. Your voice matters. Your presence matters. Your choices matter. And by subscribing, by commenting below, you declare that you are part of this movement, part of this unstoppable wave of human determination that cannot be silenced. You are telling the world, I am here. I am powerful. I am seen. Leave a comment below right now and remind yourself of the force within you. Say it, write it, let it be known. Let the energy of this moment fuel your next move, because every person who engages, every voice that rises, every action that refuses to be contained adds to the momentum that no one can stop. You are part of that energy, part of that wave, and part of a story that will be remembered. And when they discuss you in secret, when they analyze every move, when they wonder how someone could move so decisively, you will know that the answer is simple. You acted. You dared. You refused to hide. Let this be your daily reminder. The world may try to ignore, suppress, or underestimate you, but nothing can erase the truth of your impact. You are living proof that action is louder than fear, that courage outlasts doubt, and that a single individual, armed with intention and resolve, can ripple through spaces no one expected. Every move you make leaves an imprint, every choice carries weight, and every action builds a legacy. You are no longer invisible. You are not quiet. You are not powerless. You are viral. And in the quiet rooms where others gather to debate your existence, you are already victorious. You have taken control of your story, shaped your own narrative, and made your presence felt in ways that will echo far beyond this moment. You are a living, moving testament to what it means to refuse to be overlooked. And so, I leave you with this. Never doubt the power of a single action. Never underestimate the resonance of courage, of clarity, of relentless pursuit. Every step forward matters. Every choice defines you. Every action is a message to the world that you will not be ignored. And when they continue to whisper about you in secret, remember that it is proof of your significance, your influence, and your undeniable power. You are not just part of the story. You are shaping it, defining it, making it unforgettable. The world tried to keep you hidden. The world tried to convince you that quiet submission was the path to safety. But you shattered that illusion. You moved with intention. You acted with resolve. You refused to be contained. And now, every eye watching, every whisper, every secret conversation is a testament to the force you embody. They cannot take it from you. They cannot erase it. They cannot control it. You are viral. You are unstoppable. You are unforgettable. And this is only the beginning. They thought this would be hidden, that your fire would be quiet, that the impact of your choices would disappear into shadows without a trace. But here you are. Every eye that ignored you now glances with hesitation. Every whisper that once doubted now carries the weight of awe. You moved while they watched. You acted while they hesitated. And now the world, in ways small and monumental, is learning that some actions cannot be contained, that some decisions will travel further than you ever imagined. You were never meant to fade into the background. You were built for resonance, for waves that extend beyond the horizon, for echoes that cannot be silenced. There is a certain beauty in watching the world realize it underestimated you. Those who thought they understood the limits of courage, the boundaries of audacity, the edges of possibility, they are wrong. Every plan they made, every prediction, every assumption is already obsolete because you dared to act when they only imagined. You exist as proof that energy, focus, and determination cannot be measured by the expectations of others. You, the anomaly in a system designed to suppress boldness, the spark that ignites when no one thought it would. They are still discussing you, still analyzing every move, and while that might unsettle some, it should embolden you. Their deliberation is your validation. Their fear is your mirror. Think about the trajectory of your life in these moments, the risks you took, the sleepless nights spent doubting, questioning, recalculating. They were not wasted. Every hesitation you overcame, every boundary you pushed, every instinct you trusted has built this unstoppable force. And now, the ripple you created is no longer contained. You have passed the threshold where inaction would be easier, safer, smaller. You exist now in a space that only those who act decisively inhabit, a space where influence is not granted, it is claimed. And that is precisely what you have done. Understand this clearly. Every person who ignores you now will eventually speak of you in some form. Every system that doubted you will eventually recalibrate because your impact cannot be denied. You are changing the way they think, altering the way they operate, leaving them to wonder how someone so determined, so uncompromising, moved through the shadows and came out illuminated. That is the power of action. That is the power of courage aligned with strategy. That is the reality you now live in, and the responsibility it carries is immense. But responsibility is never a burden for those who understand their own strength. It is a privilege. It is proof that your presence matters. And let me tell you something that most people never fully grasp. Influence is not about recognition. It is not about applause or visible reward. Influence is the quiet, almost invisible ripple that touches everything in its path. the subtle adjustment in perception that spreads faster than any announcement. It is the way your choices disrupt routines, the way your courage challenges assumptions, the way your presence forces reconsideration. They cannot stop this. They can debate it, strategize over it, worry over it, but they cannot erase it. And every time you act, you extend this influence, you amplify this energy, you make the invisible visible. Your action went viral not because it was loud, but because it was undeniable. It carried truth in a way that others could feel, but could not contain. It exposed patterns that were previously unquestioned. It illuminated spaces that were thought safe, and it reminded everyone who witnessed it that courage cannot be hidden, influence cannot be silenced, and impact cannot be measured by comfort or convention. They are still discussing you because they know, on some level, that the world you are shaping is one they cannot control, and that is the greatest proof of your effectiveness. Now, I want you to focus on this moment, to feel it fully. This is where fear meets reality. This is where doubt meets clarity. This is where hesitation meets the undeniable truth of your capability. Every whisper about you, every quiet discussion, every unspoken acknowledgement in rooms they never expected you to touch. It is all validation. It is evidence. It is the echo of your strength, and you cannot allow yourself to shrink from it. You cannot allow yourself to soften or dilute the power that is already flowing through your presence. Pause, breathe, and realize the magnitude of what you are creating. The people who doubt you will never tell you directly. They will strategize, they will discuss, they will quietly worry. But you, who act with intention, who move with focus, who embrace your own power, you already know the truth. Their fear is your indicator. Their discussion is your trophy. Their calculation is your applause. And the world, wider than any room or conversation, is beginning to understand that your action matters more than they imagined. Now, right here, right now, I want you to engage fully. This is more than just a message. It is a call to your own power. Click subscribe if this resonates with the force inside you. Share your voice in the comments. Write down what you will no longer allow to hold you back. Say it aloud, in whatever way you can, that you will move forward despite doubt, despite fear, despite opposition. Because each engagement, each affirmation, each acknowledgement is more than digital. It is a statement to yourself that you will not be invisible, that you will not be quiet, that you will not shrink. You are here, you are powerful, and you are seen. Leave a comment and claim your presence. Say who you are, what you stand for, what you refuse to let go unnoticed. Because every voice added to this energy strengthens it, multiplies it, and demonstrates the undeniable truth. Action matters, courage matters, persistence matters.